Unfortunately, this driver couldn't brake in time and ended up rear-ending the car in front. Luckily, it was just a minor bump. This driver got really lucky after losing control on an icy highway, slipping and sliding but somehow managing to avoid disaster. It's like the road gave them a free pass this time.
Stuff that they no doubt had already recorded. I offered my GoPro recordings as proof that I had not, in fact, broken any of their stuff by moving it at all. The restraining order a person is allowed to file with a police report is always temporary, but you can always petition the court to extend it. Once Mom and I did that.
Whatever it was, I don't think it needed to be that bad.
Oh! Dude.
You just lost the whole mattress.
Hey, does he know? He doesn't even know.
Put down your window.
Ready to lose another one.
We've always warned that an unsecured load on the highway can create a big mess. Take this mattress for example. It might look harmless, but for bikers, it could turn a ride into a nightmare in seconds.
They're getting ready to lose their other one. Holy sh**.
They're pulling off.
The lady in the BMW panicked and just couldn't find the courage to merge.
Go! She's still waiting back there, by the way. Idiots in cars. Thank you.
Some drivers just don't get it, ignoring vehicles with emergency lights like they don't even exist.
Whoa. Checking the vehicle, letting.
Yeah, so every time you're like, is this my...
This driver had a close call with a red light runner. Luckily, they stopped just in time to avoid a crash.
मी उबर पण केलं हो मी सगळं केलं मी कसला आहे रे तो थांबव त्याला थांबव
हो ह्याच्यासाठी थांबलो उबर वाल्यामध्ये जातो आणि
आणि पी आहे त्याला म्हणा तुला ते तरी कळलं पाहिजे होतं ना.
Professional drivers should know better. Mistakes like these are just inexcusable.
The roller coasters, what's the ones that are so fun or scary, you know, those type of things. And also, more important,
you learn to drive. I got your number right there, buddy.
I would actually go a step further next time. See what else you can get away with.
All right, fair enough. But I wanted to see how it went, and I noticed I did not use my. Hey. So I because I'm always leery of.
Whoa.
You kidding me?
right of way.
Traffic jam alert. But this time, it's not your usual culprits. It's a gaggle of geese taking their sweet time crossing the road. Guess they've got places to be too.
It's my way.
Well,
A drunk truck driver runs a red light, T-bones a red car, and skids into a dash cam equipped driver. Then, in a not so graceful finale, the drunk driver makes a run for it.
That would have been their fault.
See that?
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.